Hello children! Today we're going to read phrases with short O sound. Are you ready children? I want you to read after me. The pot. The pot. The hot pot. The hot pot. The dot. The dot. The cup. The cup. The cot. The cot. Jog and hop. Jog and hop. The sun. The sun. Rot and hot. Rot and hot. The long log. The long log. The lady and the mop. The lady and the mop. Good job, children!